Welcome to Setup Mastery, your go-to channel for all things tech. Here, we explore the latest gadgets, unbox cutting-edge devices, and provide step-by-step installation guides to help you optimize your setup. Subscribe now and join our journey to master the art of perfect setups. In today's video, we'll guide you through the step-by-step process of resetting your Singtel Wi-Fi mesh extender AC2600. Whether you're facing connectivity issues or simply want to reset it to factory settings, this process will help resolve any problems. Let's get started and ensure your extender works like new. Resetting the Singtel Wi-Fi mesh extender AC2600 is necessary to resolve connectivity issues, clear outdated settings, or restore factory defaults when troubleshooting. It helps when the extender isn't working correctly, has been misconfigured, or needs to be set up in a new network environment for optimal performance. First, make sure your Singtel Wi-Fi mesh extender AC2600 is powered on and plugged into a functional outlet. Next, locate the reset button, which is typically a small pinhole found on the back or bottom of the device. You'll need a paperclip or a similar object to press the button and initiate the reset process. Using a paperclip or pin, press and hold the reset button for about 10 to 15 seconds. You'll notice the LEDs on the extender blink or turn off, indicating that the reset process has started. Release the button and wait for the extender to reboot, which may take a few minutes. Once the extender reboots, all settings will be reset to their factory defaults. The Wi-Fi network name, SSID, will return to the default, usually something like Singtel_XXXX, and the default login credentials, which can be found on the label of your extender, will be restored for easy access. After the reset, you'll need to go through the setup process again. You can choose between the WPS method or the manual setup to reconnect the extender to your network. For a more detailed guide on setting it up, be sure to check out our other videos on this channel for step-by-step instructions. If you run into any issues or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out. Our team of experienced professionals is ready to provide you with the support and guidance you need. Whether it's troubleshooting or setup help, we're here to make your experience seamless. You can contact us at 1-323-507-3713 for assistance. And that's a wrap. You've successfully reset your Singtel Wi-Fi mesh extender AC2600. We hope this guide helped you resolve any connectivity issues. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.